Ever wondered how you can prove ownership of a digital asset? Enter NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These unique digital certificates give assets a unique identity. Imagine two $10 bills. They're identical, right? That's a fungible asset. Now, think of a painting by a famous artist. Each is unique, just like an NFT. When you create an NFT, you generate a unique digital fingerprint for a digital asset. This fingerprint is stored on a blockchain, ensuring authenticity. If you're a digital artist, an NFT proves ownership of your work. You can sell it and keep earning through royalties on future sales. NFTs can also be used for various applications, including gaming assets, music albums, collectibles, and even real estate. While NFTs have exciting possibilities, they come with challenges like environmental impact, market volatility, and scams. The future looks promising though. NFTs. Owning the digital world.